Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to control your Amazon Firestick and pair your remote if you lost it. So what you want to do is actually go on over to your phone, and you got to make sure this is connected to Wi-Fi. So you can go on over to the Google Play Store now and select this and get the Amazon Fire TV application and then open this up. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, this is going to allow you to take control of your Fire Stick using your phone, and it's very easy. And all these different options are on here, like home, the 3 lines button, etc. So if you are trying to pair a new remote or something like that, you bought one off of Amazon, go on over to settings right here, go on down, go to controllers and Bluetooth, select this, then go to Alexa voice remotes and go to add new remote. And then follow the on-screen instructions, so go to your remote and hold down the home button. And this will place it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, and a little light is going to blink in the top right. Then you can go back over to your phone and then just select it on the screen when it pops up. So it should pop up under searching. Then just select the middle dial button and your remote should be connected now. Or you could just use your phone as a remote from here on out. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.